Hello everyone. In the last class we studied about factorization of polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Am I right? So today let us study some of the identities. You have studied many identities right from 7th standard. We'll revise that and we'll study some more. So first one is x plus a into x plus b. What is that? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus a. Right? Next one. A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one. A minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a plus b plus c the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a plus b the plus c the whole square? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Next one, a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Is equal to a square minus b square. Next one, a plus b the whole cube. Your square, this is whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next one, a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So, I did how many identities? 1, x plus a into x plus b, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a plus b plus c the whole square, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Some more, let me write. A cube plus b cube is equal to, if this is plus a cube plus b cube, this is also plus a plus b into a square. If this is plus, this is minus ab plus b square. So I said a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square. If this is plus, this is minus ab plus b square. So can you guess what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square. If this is minus, this is plus ab plus b square. So this is a cube plus b cube and this is a cube minus b cube. Next one, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Our first identity I wrote what it was, x plus a into x plus b. So let me do one more. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus x square into a plus b plus c plus x into ab plus bc plus ca in plus abc. Now, one more important identity what we are learning in 9th and 10th is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. I repeat, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So, these are the main identities whatever you have to learn here in 9th standard, so it will be useful throughout your life. Wherever you go, whatever course you do. You understand? Now let us see what is given. Find the products using identities. First question is x plus 3 into x plus 3. You use some identity. Which identity you can use? What is x plus 3 into x plus 3? That means x plus 3 is repeated twice. Am I right? So what can I write down? Is equal to x plus 3 the whole square. Am I right? So I have to find out. I have to expand this using identities. So x plus 3 the whole square. So I can use a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Therefore, x plus 3 the whole square is equal to x square plus, in the place of 2, 2. In the place of a, x. In the place of b, 3 plus 3 square. So what is the answer? X square. 2 3s are 6x plus 9. This is the answer. Now, let us go to the second one. X minus 3 into x plus 5. It is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. What is the identity says? X square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now you see, so x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to, in the place of x, what is there? X only. So x square plus x. In the place of what is a, what is a? Minus 3. In the place of b, plus 5 plus minus 3 into 5. So what is the answer? X square. 5 minus 3, 2. So plus 2x minus 15. This is the answer. Right? Let us go to the next one. See. 105 into 106, it is a product. Am I right? So what can I do? 105, what can I write? 100 plus 5 and 106, 100 plus 6. Right? Now what identity I can use? X plus a into x plus b. So what is x plus a into x plus b? X square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So can you tell me, in the place of x is what is there? 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 is equal to 100 square plus, in the place of x 100, in the place of a 5 plus 6 plus 5 into 6. So 100 square is, if there is 2 zeros in the square, there are 4 zeros. Plus 100, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 13. So you get 10,000 plus 11 into 100 is 1100. 1100. Plus 30. You can add like this. 0, 3, 1, 1, 1. What is the answer? 11,130. Is it clear? Now listen. My next question is factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Look at this. This is also 49 is also square number. 49a square is a square number. 25b square is also square number. What is 49a square? 7a the whole square. Right? 7a the whole square. This is 5b the whole square. whether it is correct. Plus, you should be having a square plus b square plus 2ab should be in the middle. Am I right? 2. What is a? 7a. What is b? Plus 5b. Are we getting 70? Let us see. 2 7s are 14. 14 5s are 70. Correct. So that means it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is nothing but 7a, this is a, plus 5b, this is b, the whole square. Am I right? This is the answer. I looked at the first one and the last one. This is 7a the whole square, that is 5a the whole square. So I could write a square plus b square. So plus 2ab should be middle. 2. A is this, b is this. And I saw whether does it come 70. Yes. Then I wrote 7a plus 5b the whole square. Is it clear? Now let us go to the second one. What is the second one they have given? 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9. It looks like both are square numbers. 25 is a square of 5, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3. So how can I write down this one? I can write down this one as 5 by 2x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. Right? 5 by 2x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So what is a? 5 by 2x plus y by 3 into 5 by 2x minus y by 3. One is plus, another one is minus. This is your answer. Did you all understand? Now look at this question. Expand 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. So what can I write down? Let me write down the question. 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to, what is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? So what is a square? In the place of, therefore, 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. In the place of a, 3a is there. So 3a the whole square plus 4b the whole square plus 5c the whole square plus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 3a. A plus b plus c the whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Am I right? We did it correctly. So what is 3a the whole square? 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square. Correct? 2 3s are 6 4s are 24ab plus 2 4s are 8 5s are 40bc plus 2 5s are 10 3s are 30ca. 30ca. This is your answer. Right? 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 AC you can write or CA you can write. No problem. The next question is expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c, the whole square. So, I write on the question 4a minus 2b minus 3c, the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b plus c, the whole square. Let me write on that identity. A plus b plus c, the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? So, therefore, 4a minus 2b minus 3c, the whole square is equal to 4a the whole square plus, in the place of b, what is a? Minus 2b the whole square plus, in the place of c, minus 3c the whole square plus 2 into what is a? 4a into what is b? b is minus 2b. So plus 2 into, in the place of b, what is a? Minus 2b into what is c? Minus 3c plus 2 in the place of c, minus 3c into a, 4a. So, a square, 16a square, minus into minus is plus 4b square plus 9c square. 2 4s are 8, 2s are 16. Since there is only one minus, minus 16 will be. Here minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 BC. Minus, only one minus is there. So 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24 AC or CA. So this is your final answer. 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab plus 12bc minus 24ca. Minus into minus is plus. Remember that. Now, my last question of today's class. Factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. It looks like a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Right? So, I write down a square. So, in the place of what is it? 2x the whole square plus y square plus z square. Now, my problem is to give the sign for this. Whether this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, I do not know till I get minus 4xy. So, plus, okay, 2, a is 2x, b is y. So, what do I get? Plus 4xy. So, I have to get minus 4xy. So, let me try. Is this as minus 1? So, what will happen? Minus 4xy. You remember y is minus. So, plus, y is minus. We thought y minus y the whole square plus 2 into, in the place of b, minus y. In the place of c, what is it? C, z. So, minus 2yz. Are we getting correctly? Yes. Plus 2zx. 2z into x is 2x. Is it 4xz? Yes. That means, what is this nothing but? 2x is nothing but 2x minus y plus z the whole square. That is all. Right? So, this answer is equal to this. So, how could I make out? First one I put plus only. Then, since it is minus, either this is plus or this is plus. Or this is minus or this is minus. But I put minus here. And I verified whether it is correct when I come here. Yes, it was correct. So when I proceeded, we got correct answer. So it is 2x minus y plus z the whole square. I hope you understood whatever way I taught you how to factorize or what identity you have to make use to find the product you have understood. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.